Manning School is represented by Renee Somerville. Team Captain Carlton Morrison, Sierra Hall, and Sabrina Clark. While Westwood High is represented by Tiana Brown, Team Captain, Yesenia Robinson, Akiva Powell, and Anika Spence. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this 10th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I am Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Manning School won and decided to go first. So we begin with Manning's School. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Please, may I have that time on the clock? With that, Manning School, we begin with history. Who was the first Caribbean Prime Minister to pay an official visit to the White House during the first term of U.S. President Ronald Reagan?
Ronald Reagan?
Yeah.
All right, you're going. Dame Eugenia Charles.
Dame Eugenia Charles.
Dame Eugenia Charles.
No, it was the Most Honourable Edward Siaga. History for Westwood. What was the name of the concert held at the National Stadium in Jamaica in 1978 where Bob Marley joined the hands of political rivals Michael Manley and Edward Siaga?
Oh, concert.
Something like Bring Back the Love or something.
Bring back the love.
Bring Back the Love.
No, it was called the One Love Peace Concert. Sport or visual one for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Donovan Mitchell.
No?
Donovan Mitchell.
Donovan Mitchell.
Donovan Mitchell.
No, Paul George from the NBA. Sport for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Right. Luka Doncic.
Luka Doncic.
No, Nikola Jokic, NBA as well. Physics, Manning School. What is the name of the property of an electric circuit which causes it to oppose the flow of an alternating current?
Resistance.
No, impedance. Physics, Westwood. What name is given to the tendency of an electrical component to oppose a change in the electric current flowing through it?
Resistance.
No, inductance. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Manning School. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Viola Davis.
No, it's Lorraine Toussaint. Theatre and cinema for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Nobody knows.
All right. Jean Brown.
No, Carmine Jogo. Spanish for Mannings. What is the English translation of the preposition dentro de?
Behind.
No, inside or within. Spanish, Westwood. What is the English translation of the preposition detrás de?
Behind.
That's behind. Local affairs, a visual one for Manning School. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Denzel Wilkes.
Oh, Paulton Garden.
No, Linton Gordon. Local affairs for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
All right. Everton McFarlane.
No, Jeremy Taylor, Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions. The first gentleman was a local attorney. Information technology for Mannings. On a standard keyboard, which key is to the right of the insert key?
Insert key. You're right.
Control.
No, delete. Infotech for Westwood. On a standard keyboard, which key is directly above the caps lock key?
Tab.
That's right. Music and audio one for Mannings. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of the song.
All you got to do is me choose, so let's go respond. Satisfying your emotion.
Hold the world around.
No, Champion. Buju Banton. Music for Westwood. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
You think I am not what you want me to be? Could you love me for
Wanna be loved.
Also by Buju. Correct. Literature, Manning School. Who is the author of the novel The Little Old Toy Maker and Other Stories?
Mark Twain.
No, Enid Blyton. Literature, Westwood. Who is the author of the children's novel The Silver Sword?
Yavi. Ian Serralier.
Yes. Ian Surly.
That's right. Jamaican Heritage Mannings. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Alligator shouldn't call hog.
Long mouth. Long mouth.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage Westwood. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Fishermen never say him.
Rad or something. Something about
Right. Fish dead.
fish dead.
Fish dead.
Fish stink. French. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match. Manning School on 1 point. Westwood High taking the early lead on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere, schools. Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.